Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix bankruptcy problems with BK Law Group step by step. Contact BK Law Group for an initial consultation. Prepare all necessary financial documents before the meeting. Gather information about your income, debts, and assets. Be ready to discuss your current financial situation in detail. During the consultation, ask about the different types of bankruptcy available. Understand the implications of Chapter 7 versus Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Discuss your eligibility for each type of bankruptcy option. Ask about potential costs involved in the bankruptcy process. If you decide to proceed, BK Law Group will help you complete the necessary forms. Fill out the bankruptcy petition with detailed accuracy. Review all information with your attorney before submission. File the completed petition with the appropriate bankruptcy court. Attend the mandatory creditors meeting as scheduled. Be prepared to answer questions from the trustee about your financial situation. Follow up with BK Law Group for any additional requests or documentation. Stay informed about the status of your bankruptcy case. Once approved, follow the terms set forth by the bankruptcy court. Complete any required financial management courses if necessary. Keep communication open with BK Law Group throughout the process. Maintain good financial habits post-bankruptcy to rebuild your credit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.